Hi, this is Carmella Teresa today to show you how to do a very special meditative art project. And it's a bookmark. And it's a bookmark made of recycled silk yarn, lace, and a piece that is significant to you wrapped in the lace. It could be a charm, it could be a ring, it could be a piece of a necklace that you got when you were a kid. It could be a shell that you found with someone on the beach who you loved very dearly. It's a piece that you want to keep very close to your heart. That's why this is a meditative piece, because as you're making it, you are thinking of this person and you're sending out good vibes towards them. So with that, to show you how to do this, I first crochet just a chain. That's all you need. And if you don't have recycled yarn, that's okay. You can use any type of yarn that you want. And the type of yarns I used recycled silk yarn to make the chain. I used ribbon to adorn it after I tied my piece and lace on. And I used eyelash yarn to just further adorn it. So to get started, we'll take our piece of fabric. And if you don't have lace, that's okay. Anything you have is fine. And you take your piece first. We're going to assume that you crocheted your chain. Make it as long as you want or as short as you want. So we're going to put our chain right there, and we're going to have a tail that is at least 2 to 3 inches, just enough so you can tie your lace on. So we're going to take our pebble. In this case, we're using the pebble just to show you. And we're going to wrap it in our lace. And we're going to twist it. And that's just securing the pebble really well. So there it is. And then we're going to take our chain. We're going to come to the end of the chain and take that tail. And the tail doesn't have to be real long, but just long enough to wrap around a couple of times. And then tie a knot so it's nice and secure. And by the way, when you make your chain, you can make it with any size hook that you choose. Now we've tied our pebble in nicely and we've secured it. Now what you can leave your lace flowing like that if you'd like, or you can cut it. I'm going to cut it just a tiny bit just to trim it. And there, we cut that nicely. And then what I'm going to do to further adorn it is just take a piece of ribbon yarn and tie that around. And that's just adorning it just a little bit more, just giving it a little more security. Because this is the significant piece of the project. This is the meditative piece. This is representing who we're thinking of as we make this piece. So we want it to be especially beautiful and secure. Now we're going to come to the other side of our bookmark or our chain, and we're going to add one more piece, and that will be the eyelash yarn of your choice. And I'm using pink on this one. And I'm just going to tie it on in a knot at the end here. And I just want it to be part of the tail, just to adorn it a little bit more. There. And now I'm just going to cut it. And there is my Meditative bookmark art project. I've made a few of them, as you can see. So have fun.